Unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence with Microsoft's comprehensive 12-week course. Dive headfirst into the world of symbolic AI, neural networks, and computer vision, among others. Get your hands dirty with TensorFlow and PyTorch, and bring your newfound knowledge to life with real projects. Worried about prior experience? Fear not. This journey is beginner-friendly. You'll start with the brains of AI, exploring symbolic reasoning and knowledge representation. Then, you'll delve into the magic of modern AI with neural networks. Seeing is believing, right? Master computer vision, analyze images, and detect objects. Text isn't left behind either. You'll dive into natural language processing, chatbots, and more. But we're not stopping at the basics. You'll explore genetic algorithms, multi-agent systems, and ethical AI. And for a bonus, a new curriculum on generative AI awaits. Create text and images, build search apps, and more. Ready to start your journey? Head to github.com/Microsoft/AI-for-beginners. It's free. And remember, there are additional learning paths on Microsoft Learn. Join the community and start learning today.